Hello, it's Andrew here at Life of Pig Row, and it's that time of year that we get to chit potatoes. Let's go and look at the parcel first. So first, all our potatoes are from Pennard. They come really well wrapped. I like Pennard for this. We use old paper. Then all the potatoes come in paper bags. So the potatoes are now all open. Let's have a look. This is Casablanca. We like Casablanca. We grow it every year. As you can see, there's the top of it. Little stubs growing. I'm going to show you how to deal with this soon. We've not grown this one in years. It's one of the first potatoes we ever grew. And this is Shetland Black. It's a purple potato. And it's the first seed potato we've found in a long while for Shetland Black that we trust. Then we've got our staple, Aaron Victoria. Again, they're starting to grow. We're going to chip those. And then finally, a potato we've never grown, and that feels really firm. That's called Home Guard. That's really good. So as you can see, they're not exactly massive sacks. We don't need massive sacks. This is going to do probably 1.5 rows for us, maybe 2 if we space them out. And, you know, we're going to have plenty of potatoes to take us through to Christmas. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to chit potatoes. Chit, C-H-I-T, chit. And what is chitting? Well, let's go and see. So, chitting, really simple. You put them in a container. It can be an egg box. I like to use old trays. And it's a matter of then putting them eyes up. You can see they're starting to sprout already. Just balance them next to each other. These are Shetland Black. Go along, putting the eyes up. They start to sprout very quickly because they've been cold stored, some of these. As soon as they warm up, they start to sprout. And we're after little short stubby sprouts before we put them in the garden, put them in the ground. Also, look at it, and if sprouts are on top, we've got one on the bottom, don't be afraid to just pluck it off. So what do you do with the rest of the tray? I'm going to show you. So all done. Piece of cardboard down the middle. And then I've got another half of the tray. So carry on with my next lot of potatoes. These are Aaron Victoria. And these are also a main crop variety. Sometimes you have to balance them a bit. Just get them in. You can put them in egg boxes. We used to like using egg boxes, but no, we have our own chickens. We don't actually have any egg boxes because we just get them fresh. And there you are. There's one tray. What is chitting? Well, chitting, as you know, creates those short little stubby shoots, and those kind of get ahead of just throwing a potato in open ground. It means you might get your main crop 2 weeks earlier, but also it's just nice at this time of year to be able to grow something and to see the promise of a crop to come. So chitting, some people do, some people don't. We always have, because it's worked for us, because our ground is really cold and we can't plant anything in it until Good Friday. There's our tray of potatoes. What am I going to do with that now? Well, I'm going to put this on the table in the front room, away from direct sunlight. And what will happen is that these will start to grow. and they'll create little stubby shoots. Now, if you're putting stuff in a tray and you actually knock one of the shoots off, don't worry, okay? Really, don't worry at all. They'll grow back. The great thing about a potato is that it wants to make more potatoes. And to give you that idea, this is what Pennard sent with. And it's really good because it shows you how potatoes grow. You see that? So your potato goes in, starts to put on more growth and plants. So, you get more green there, and then the potatoes start to form towards the end. Isn't that fantastic? Kind of insight. So they're going on the table. I'm going to have another cup of tea. Until next time, it's bye-bye from me. And I'll see you next time on Life and Pig Row. Bye-bye.